Hey Diamond Painters, so I want to bring you a new DAC, Diamond Art Club, unboxing video. This was one of the new releases last week and I got it in. It is the Steampunk Mermaid and hope you stay tuned to see the unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So, I am bringing you the unboxing of Steampunk Mermaid. It was a new release this week, well, last week from DAC on Saturday, and I just had to have her, and so I got her, and let's do an unboxing video. So, she arrived today, and I just love it. So, let's see here. We got the new sticker sheets. So DAC is doing some new sticker sheets where these are already pre-cut. This is a 60 count color one, and as you can see the picture, then they also have this over here, your start date and your end date and your nice little picture. The size, it's 22 by 28, and the artist name is not on, yeah, it's up there by there, the artist name, but it is 60 colors, and it does, I think, have a few ABs with it. So yeah, so Steampunk Mermaid, and you got your standard toolkit. Let's see, I think it's just, again, the tray, the 2 heart waxes, your blue, single placer pen, your baggies, and then DAC has updated these lately because when I first got my first one, the multi-placer was a thick one, and now they're giving you a thin 4 count multi-placer, which I like better is the thin count one. So you do have the 4 thin count multi-placer, okay? So again, the standard tool. Alright, let's get into this right here. The exciting part. So excited. I was so excited when I saw this one. My husband told me I could get 2 DACs, and I just got this one because I just really wanted her. I didn't have to have any of the other ones. I mean, I do love some of the other ones, but this one is like one of those ones where you just go, I need that one, okay? So this was that for me. Oh my gosh, oh, isn't she so gorgeous? Oh, look at it, 60 colors. I've never done a 60 color one. Oh, look at her. Isn't she pretty? Oh, and of course, I'm a purpley blue type girl. I love blue. Blue's my favorite color, but I love purple too, and green. Green and blue is my favorite, but I can stand for some purple when it mixes in. But look at this. Isn't it so pretty? Oh, I can't wait to do it. A lot of color blocking. So this one doesn't have a lot of confetti. If you don't know what confetti is, it's where it has a lot of different colors in one area. So this is a little bit of confetti. Let me see if I can roll it and show you. By her hair. So see how by her hair it has a couple different colors? That's just a little bit of confetti. Confetti is where it's a lot of different colors. Color blocking is where it's like especially her face. It's like mainly 1 color to 2 colors at a time. So especially like this purple over here, this is just 2 different colors right here. So this probably won't take too long. But oh my gosh, isn't she gorgeous? Look how clear it is. The symbols are clear. It is poured glue. Very soft. All the symbols. 60 colors. Like I said, I've never done a 60 color one. And it does have, I think it's 2 AB colors. So let's look at the drills. Of course, if you've had a DAC before, standard drills, they give you this. So just in case you're new to DAC, check this out in here. I don't know. Yeah, it's in here. So you can use this code on your next purchase. Thank you, 10. So if you don't have a code and you want to purchase something, this will get you 10% off. However, if you click my link and you do purchase, this is your first time purchasing from DAC, my link, you will be able to get 15% off, okay? So 60 colors, not a lot of 310s in there. I think there's only 2 bags, maybe 3. So they're standard colors. I'm not going to get all of them out. I was trying to look to see the AB colors, but, oh, there is some AB. Oh, look at this green AB color. Oh, it's so pretty. So, try not to unroll it too much. But here's a green AB. Is that the only AB? I thought there was 2 ABs. I'd have to look back at the website. Maybe there's only 1 AB, which is the green. Yeah, I'm only seeing 1 AB unless I'm missing it, which I could be because there are 60 colors. So, let's see here. Oh, where'd the green go? Oh, I saw the green. Oh, here it is. So here's the green AB. It's like almost like a highlighter green, and you see that it's AB because it has the extra sparkle in it. So, again, they're standard round. I'm a round girl, so I just totally messed all this up, but definitely a round girl. Has a lot of blues, so just to give you kind of the colors. Blues, purples, some green, more purples, more blues, some yellows and oranges. Again, as you can see, oh, there's the other AB. So your white AB. I thought there was 2. So your 141, which is just a white AB. So you have 2 ABs, which is the white and, where'd they go? The green, 135. So 2 ABs, but standard. Oh, never mind. I was wrong. There are 4 packs of 310 in here. So 310, 4 packs. And then you got some pretty pinks. Pretty natural colors. You got the greens and the turquoise and the more purples. And oh, this is just a bright one. I can't wait to start this one. I think this one might be the one I work on next. But again, it's just DAC, and I want to show you again. Let me show you all the colors you get, if I can do it. So I have to fold it up. So you get your 310s. Whew, I feel like these bags go on forever. It's going to be a big one to kit up. Actually, might have to get another box to kit up with this one. The boxes I use only hold, I think, 24, so I might have to use another box. But look at this. 60 colors besides the 310. That's one color. 60 colors for this beautiful, beautiful canvas. I mean, look at her. Now, she is a final edition. I'm not going to go into all that with what happened. But if you want to get her, you need to get her now because once she's sold out, she's gone. So I know it was in low stock here recently, but isn't she just gorgeous, pretty? I can't wait to finish her. I think she'd look so pretty during the summer or just hanging up all the time. I'll probably put her maybe in my daughter's room when she's done. She's just so pretty. So thanks for joining me for this unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos and like them, comment below, and if you'd like to go check out DAC, click the link below, and if you've never purchased from them before, you will get 15% off if you put that email address in.